let us see some terms related to a spherical mirror and some point regarding mirror. It helps in understanding raw diagram of a mirror image formation. It is very important to understand the image formation. It's okay. See the first term, center of curvature. Center of a sphere of which a mirror is a part. What does it mean? It's a whole sphere, and see here, it is a whole sphere and mirror is a part. It's okay. This is a mirror. Either if I polish from this side, then it is going to be convex mirror. If I printed it by this side, this is going to be concave mirror. Okay. After, see here, it is a sphere. It has also a center. Do you know this? A sphere has a center, and this center is known as center of curvature. See here, it is a sphere and it is a mirror, and its sphere has a center, and this is known as center of curvature. You are capable to understand me, and it is represented by letter C. Okay. Now see the next term, pole of mirror. Pole of mirror. Center point of mirror is known as pole of mirror. Now you have to give answer here. First, which mirror it is? It is painted by inside, and which mirror it is? It is painted by outside. You are capable to answer, I think, because I work on you. It's okay. Now, if it is for my satisfaction, I give you answer. If we print inside and polished it or silvered it by outer side, then it is called as convex. Convex. And when we painted it by outer or silvered or polished it by inner, then this is going to be concave. Concave. Now come back to the pole of mirror. Turn pole of mirror. Center point of a mirror. Center point means this is our mirror, and it has a center point here. Maybe. Okay. It may be here. Okay. Then this point is known as pole of mirror. And what is center of curvature? It is a center of a sphere which of which a mirror is part. It is a sphere, and mirror is a part of a sphere, and a sphere has a center, and that center is known as center of curvature, which is denoted by letter C. And pole of mirror, a center point of mirror. Center point of mirror is known as pole of mirror. It is represented by letter P. Okay, you are capable to understand a difference between center of curvature and pole of mirror now. Okay. Now let us see another terms. Principal axis. Principal axis, an imaginary line passing through center of curvature and pole of mirror. First of all, you have to recall center of curvature and pole of mirror. An imaginary line passing through center of curvature and pole of mirror. What does it mean? This is a center of curvature, and this is a pole of mirror. An imaginary line means invisible line that is assumed by us when or imaginary line passing through center of curvature and pole of mirror is known as principal axis. I think you are capable to get me. It's okay. Focus. It is very interesting topic. When a ray of light coming parallelly to principal axis after reflection, it cuts principal axis, that point is known as focus. What is reflection? Recall all the terms, then your chapter is going to finish in this only in this video. It's okay. Reflection and the principal axis, you have to recall these terms. It's okay. What is saying here? When ray of light coming parallelly to principal axis, coming parallel. What is parallel means? It means that distance between them are always same. After reflection, what is reflection? The bending of light is known as reflection of light. After reflection in concave mirror, it is converged and it come and cut the principal axis at a point, and this point is known as focus. This point is known as focus. It's okay. That point is known as focus. After reflection, you have to always write a light coming to parallelly to principal axis. After reflection means after bending of light is it cutted the principal axis or cutted imaginary line, which is that point is known as focus. Okay, that point is known as focus. Now see the aperture, a part of mirror on which reflection is occurred. A part of mirror on which reflection is occurred known as aperture. Focal length, the distance between P and F. Now you have to name the P and F. What is P? P is known as pole of mirror. Pole of mirror. It's okay. And F is known as focus. F is known as focus. Okay. Radius, the distance between center of curvature, curvature and pole of mirror. You might have write this also. I write in the short. Okay. The distance between center of curvature and pole of mirror. Now relation between focal length and the radius. Okay. Now relation between formula. Okay. R equals to 2F means that if B into focal length by 2, then it is going to be radius. Okay. Fine. After reflection, when two rays intersect each other, then there is a formation of image. It means that after reflection, this is P, this is C. After reflection means this, and we know that whenever the ray of light is parallel to principal axis, then it intersect at a point. After reflection, it intersect at a point. That point is known as focus. And what is it saying here? After reflection, when two rays intersect, means that here is coming of another ray. Yeah, when two rays required, then here is also coming of another ray. Infinite rays are coming, but we are required only two rays. two rays to form the image. Okay, then after reflection it's also parallel to the principal axis. It's also parallel to principal axis. After then it's also cut the principal axis, then its point is focus. Then here is a formation of image. For image formation requires minimum 2 days. Image formation. Now we have to see image formation. Image formation. Image formation. IMAGE. Formation. For image formation, we required at least 2 ray. Okay, for image formation we require at least 2 ray. For drawing the diagram we need to know the some conditions and rule of drawing the diagram. Okay, now let us see first. When a ray of light parallel to principal axis, it cut at a point axis and it passes through focus. It passes through focus. Where first rule, when ray of light parallel to principal axis, means that this diagram, when ray of light parallel to principal axis, it's okay. After reflection it cut at a point that known as focus. That point is known as focus. And here is saying after principal axis, it's okay. After reflection it flow through the focus. It passes through the focus. Okay, now we have to see second rule. First rule states that whenever a ray comes parallel to principal axis, it passes through focus. Okay, it passes through focus. When ray of light passes through the focus, then it goes parallel to principal axis. What is it state? Whenever a ray of light passes through focus, this is C, this is F, and this is P, passes through focus. Okay, after reflection it goes parallel to principal axis through focus. Then after reflection, sorry, here we write after reflection, then it goes parallel to principal axis. Now we have to see third case. Third rule, we have to see third rule. Third rule states that when a ray of light of light passes through center of curvature. Center of curvature is represented by letter C. It's okay. After reflection, it come back on same path. Means that this is your okay, and this is your principal axis, and this is a F, and this is a F, and this is a P. See what is it saying here? Whenever a ray of light come from center of curvature, when it passes from the center of curvature, then after reflection it come back on same path. It's come back on the same path. First rule state that whenever a line is coming parallel to principal axis, then it's passed through focus. And second rule states whenever a line come from focus, then it goes parallel to principal axis. And third rule states that whenever a ray of light is coming from center of curvature, then it's go parallel to it's come back on the same path. Okay, now we have to see the fourth case. When ray of light passes through pole, then after reflection it makes angle I equals to angle R. Okay, you have to know this. Whenever a ray of light passes through pole, then it after reflection it form angle I equal to angle R. Okay, we see the general rule for drawing a raw diagram. Now let us see image formation by concave mirror. Remember always, we need at least 2 rays of light to form any image. Okay, at least 2 images. Maximum we take infinite, but we have to take at least 2 rays for formation of image. There is question always asked in exam. Okay, image formation by concave mirror. How concave mirror is look like? It is polished from outer side and silvered, and polished from inner side and painted from outer side. Okay, this is P, this is F. If we are going to some place, then we always so if anyone called to you, then you show some locations. I am here, I am nearby it, I am between this and this. Let us assume that this is chalk. Okay, then this is chalk, then it is C and this is F chalk. This C chalk and this is F chalk. It's okay. For in a concave mirror for class 10th, there is 1/6 position to image for. First at infinite, there is no we do not know from where the light is coming. You know from where the light is coming. Infinite first, it's okay. Then we for example, you are coming from from your house, then you say yes, I am at my house, and then I reach some I am between house and the chalk sea, then that is known as second position. Between house and the uh, chalk sea, okay. And if you reach chalk sea, then you see I am at chalk sea. And after going forward, then you see say that I am between C and F. I am between chalk C and F. And then he again call you. Then you say I am at chalk F. And then he again call you. Then you say I am at your position. Now you have to search me. You have to interact me. It's okay. You have to find me in this group of peoples. Okay. And now we have to see if it is at 1. If object is kept at 1 means infinite, and this is beyond C, and this is at C, means that it is before C, means beyond C, and this is between F and C, and it is at 5 F, and this is between F and P. Okay. Now we have to see that when object is kept at point 1, then image is formed at F. Image is always formed at F. We prove it by drawing diagram also. And let us see. Whenever we increase house to near the person, then image formation goes far from the person. You have to always remember, draw this diagram. Whenever we go near the person, like here is your house, okay, and you have to go to your friend house or to meet someone at some place, and this is a destiny place, okay. Now when you go near the person, then image formation go away from the person. Assume if you say I am at C, then he assume that the distance between you and he is limited now, okay. Let us see, this helping in correction of the image formation, means that we are able to form the correct image. If we do not know how to image form, where the point 1 image form, then we may do many things. We pass rays from any place. So for image formation, we have to always keep this in mind when we are going to near the person, then image formation is always far from the person, okay. Then image formation is far from the, whenever you go forward, then image is going to be far from him. Whenever you go near to your friend, means here, it's okay, then image going to be far from here. Now let us draw it is for your information, I draw it, okay. Now take, you do not have to mock up this. You have to always keep in mind these are physics, and physics is not a mock up thing, okay. But physics is not always, you do not mock up the physics. That is only for chemistry and bio. You have to remember some terminology, okay. Now you say how we write this into our draw this into exam. Then see here, when object is at infinity, okay. Let us, what I say, infinity means at position 1, Then where is going to be position 1 is found? At F. I told you that image is going to be formed at focus. Okay, then there is no chance of wrong. Image is not going to be wrong. Then let us see what I told you, that for image formation there at least 2 rays is required. First draw this. You have to draw it by a scale or by a protractor. Okay, first draw this. This is a concave mirror, and draw this. Okay, P, F and C. For image formation, always you have to always measure this, and you have to always prove that it is 2F, R equal to 2F. Means that it is here, the distance between this and this is something, and this is equal to, just a second, I need a scale. Okay, I have a protector here. It's okay, it's good for us. Now let us draw. Let us draw. It is going to be now clear. Okay, take the protector here. First take the protector here, then draw it. Okay, it's like something like this. Okay, okay, and middle, where the pole is formed, in the middle of, it is the center point of the mirror. Then pole is here, it is the center point at 90 degree, it is a center point. Now draw. I take center of curvature 6 centimeter. Okay, I take center of curvature 6 centimeter. This is a line. Okay, I take center of curvature 6 centimeter. Then focus is going to be formed 3 centimeter. Always remember this formula, R equal to 2F. Okay, R equal to 2F. Then it is F and this is C. When F is 3, then it is going to be means whenever is 6, then it is also be 6. Okay, and then it is proof. Then first position at infinity, means we do not know from where the ray of light is coming. Now I know when draw like this. Okay, do not do like me. This is a board, that's why I am doing. You have to draw it by pencil, neat and clean diagram. We know that whenever a light is coming parallel to principal axis, then it's got to it passes through the focus. Okay, it passes through focus and draw this light. Means that light is coming from here and going in this direction. Okay, and you now I think you are capable to draw it without mug-upping it. Now you ask me how you write its nature. Okay, you have to always remember, if object is here and image is formed in front of object, in front, if it is in front and then it is a front of object, then it is always be diminished. It is diminished. Then it is a first. It is a first. Then we have to. It is highly diminished. Okay, highly diminished. Highly diminished. Or whenever when I told you I describe you sign of convention, then you are going to be clear that whenever it is in left side, or if image formed this side, then that is right side, and whenever image formed in left side of a mirror, then it is going to be real and inverted. Always remember real and inverted. Okay, then it is forming left side of image, then it is a real and inverted, inverted. Okay, and what we have to write, where it is formed, and it is we know that it is formed at F, then it is formed at F. It's okay. Now see second example. You all are clear with it? If you are not clear, then you comment me. I make a special video for you. It's okay. Now see second case. See second case. When object is placed beyond C, beyond C. It's okay. This is a concave mirror, as we know. Now I am drawing the roughly. Okay. I face lots of problem to draw on this board. On copy I drew well. It's okay. Now let us draw. What I say, what I told you. Whenever we go near our friend, then image is going to be far. The image is now formed between F and C. In first at infinity, image is formed at F. Then it is now you say I am at this chalk. After going from that chalk, you look at the location between. I am between this and this. Okay, and it is saying that it is at beyond C. Something here is okay. It is P. Okay. Okay. This is like something position like this. Now we have to think. You have to think that from the ray coming, you know that we have to pass ray from 4 places. It's okay. Now we have to pass ray parallel to principal axis. We know that whenever a ray is parallel to principal axis, then it passes from the focus. Okay, and we know that at infinity means point at point A. First image is formed at F. I told you, whenever you go near to your friend, then image is going to far from your friend. It's okay. Then it is going to be between C and F. It is formed at in first condition formed at F, and then it is coming one step forward, then you have to go one step backward here. Then it's okay. And then you know that the image is absolutely going to be formed here. It's okay. Now you have to pass the light by here principal focus. Okay, there we know that then angle I equal to angle R, then it is going to form here. Now you say that you are always formation of image by these two array. It's okay, it is easy. You have to do easy. We have to also draw it from C and P. Let us erase it. I erase it. When we pass ray from center of curvature, what is the rule? It go back in the same path. Then it is also formed right here between C and F. And another example, see here, this. Okay, do not take the parallel to principal axis. Now we have to see here. Then I pass it from here. It's okay. Then it is going to be here, something like this, and then we have to pass it. Draw it here. If there is accurate measurement between C and F, and then it is going to be very perfect image. It's okay. Then we pass it by center of curvature. It's okay. Increase it. Increase it. It is a small. I do not measure it. It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's okay. The image is wrong for it. I have to use a scale now. I have to use a scale. It is going to be wrong formed by me. So okay, you see that how a scale is important in image formation. It's okay, measure it. It's okay, we have to measure it. It is approx, it is approx 75. It's okay. It is right. Draw it. Let us draw it by a scale. Okay. Pass it by center of curvature. Now you see something. So it is somehow right between C and F. It's okay. If you do not use my formula that when you are going to near your friend and the image is going to far from your friend, then you get error, because I draw here, then you in examination you draw it here by mistake, it draw by mistake. I do not measure, that's why it is done. It's okay. So it is done by mistake. So we have to remember that whenever we go to near our friend, then image is going to be far from our friend. Okay. Now we have to see the nature of the image. It's okay. What I told you, whenever it is in the left side, of a mirror, then it is going to be formed real and inverted. Okay. Second, where it is going to be formed between C and F. Okay, between C and F. Or third point, what we have read, sides. So sides. It's okay. What I told you, whenever it is in the front of the object, then image is going to form a small. When it is at the same place, where at the same chalk where the object is located, then it is same size of object. And when it is going to be backward of the object place, then it is formed a large image. It's okay. Then here it is in the front of object, then it is going to be formed diminished image. It's okay. It is now clear these things. We have to see more examples, like we have to see at C, between let us see. It's okay.